Hello, my name is Nayeli Calva and I'm a tech engineer at Cisco for XDR. In this video, I will show you how to configure a deployment profile. First, let's navigate to the XDR portal as administrator role. To create a deployment profile, from the left pane, select Client Management, then Deployments. This section shows up a list of all the secure client deployments in your Cisco XDR organization, and allows users to define a list of all packages and related profiles that must be installed on all computers in a specific deployment within an organization. For example, HR department. Let's create a deployment profile. On the left pane of XDR, navigate to the Client Management and select Profiles. You will be presented with the option to either create a new or upload profile. If you click on Create, you will be presented with a list of all the profiles that can be created in XDR. For this example, I will hit Upload, and a list of all the profiles that can be uploaded will be presented. If you're uploading a pre-existing or pre-created profile, hit Next, and you can click or drag a file to the corresponding area. Once a file is validated, hit Next and assign a name to this profile. Ensure it's a name that can easily be identified. After all the required profiles are created or uploaded, let's create our deployment on the left panel of XDR. Navigate to the Client Management, then Deployments, and click on Create New. You will be redirected to the Deployment Package Creation page. On this page, you can choose which profiles you need to associate to your endpoints. Once you're satisfied with the package configuration, assign a name and click on Save. After that, you will be presented with the option to download a full or network installer. There are some key differences. Full installer, a bundle of all the installers and profiles that have been configured for a deployment, larger in a size than a network installer. When you use a full installer, the cloud management client and all the secure client modules from the deployment are installed. The network installer, a lightweight installer that contains only the cloud management client. When deploying the network installer, it fetches the rest of the installers configured on the deployment in the background. Thanks for watching this video.